guys, we're the Tasty Twins, and today we're going to be doing an eating challenge. So, we're going to have 4 items that we're going to be eating. Our first one is a fruit platter. Then we're going to eat a hot dog with ketchup, and then a cupcake. And lastly, a glass of milk. So the rule is simple. Whoever can put their glass of milk down and finish everything else in order, from the appetizer, the main course, the dessert, and the drink, wins the contest. Let's get to it. So, this is what we got. Let's start the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Ah. Sour. Come on. I thought these were actually sour. I thought these were gonna be way sweeter. How do you eat that? You peel it. Oh. I know, this is so hard. He's gonna win. Bloated, man. There's no me. It's hurting me. I'm literally gonna die. Get loose. Let's change the rule. You can have some more. No. Oh, that was so much better. Oh, no. Come on. I think I'll be here. Yeah. Oh, and comment who has a better haircut. Oh, and who will win? And who will win? Oh. I don't eat this much this fast. I can have this in like 20 minutes, but not like 5. Take as long as you need. Me too. I think we need hurl buckets. Oh, there's not one here. They're gonna do that. Not bad. 2 apples. Oh, are you kidding me? That part should be cut out. Yeah. How long will this take? I don't know. Oh, yes. No, it's so hard to open. How we gonna use a knife? No. Stop putting the stove on. Yes, I got it. Oh, did you see that? It's splattered up. Right here. You're gonna get in your milk. Ew. Well, this is the first course and it takes like 5 minutes. Go. He has like a thing of vomiting where he always does it. I know you want to. Really a good time to talk about it. Yeah. Okay. What? How many more drinks you got left there? But so also in the Mandarin. I'm pretty much done fruits.
That'll be amazing.
Go for it. Go for it. Stop, stop, stop. Actually,
Yes.
okay. Oh, sorry about that. Oh, no, it's stuck. What are you doing?
I have to. Oh, last time I, threw up. It's like December, May 2020 right now. Oh my God, I feel so disgusting.
Okay, quick.
I hope I don't.
It's smaller than I expected.
Yes, I'm on my hot dogs. Let's go. Let's go. Lunch. Oh, that's good. That's very good. It's not hot, but it's dog. Oh yeah. I need milk. I need a liquid. You can't just do this. Ugh. Oh my God. Oh, so good. Sorry, just it.
One above me.
It's not what I mean.
You one above me.
Huh? This is my lunch. Oh, okay. Almost done. I'm just gonna wait until we get that cupcake. Oh. I'm like, I can't do anything after this. I have to exercise.
Onto
now.
the hot dog.
Calories, yeah. It's hot dog.
Oh God.
Breathe. It's your nose. What's your nose? Oh, there's much left? Look.
Hey, now. I never eat fruits because it's so hard to eat.
Oh,
I love them.
I never threw up in a bucket on a vacation. Oh. I felt it. I didn't know. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, please like this video. Oh my God.
I'm not that far behind him. Look. What are you doing?
I have to put it in the bun. It makes sense.
Disgusting.
No. I can't eat meat while I'm bloated, Oh, my stomach's acting up a little bit. Oh yeah. No, it's not a good thing.
Let me just. And just for your information, he always asks me the questions because I'm the older twin.
No.
Yeah.
I do it because oh my God, I'm in pain. No, stop. Okay. I'm almost done. I'm done my hot dog. Last one. Oh, second last one. Gonna focus on that. Oh. 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 I need a liquid. Yes. Okay. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Come on, cheer for me. Cheer for me. Oh. Oh yeah. That's the stuff. That's good. Oh. That on there. I don't care. Oh, I need that milk. So we'll just do something in the next video. Oh! I've never had this much food this fast in my life. Oh, this is a mess. Oh. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay, that's pretty good.
What's wrong? Now, you're gonna beat me.
I know. I'm going. Stop. God. Someone come first. Someone come first.
I'm going to get away from me.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Stay strong. Imagine when this. That'll be amazing. Oh, he's finished his cupcake. You have to finish your cupcake. Your mouth. That's what I would. Again. Wait. No! Please just wait. I can't cheat in order for you to win. No, just wait for it. Just haunt me. A tiny bit, you know? A tiniest bit is still in there. It's like literally you can't see it. Okay. Well, he won. Yep. Think what the punishment is. I know you don't choose the punishment. I don't trust you. Well, it's over. I lost. I'm thinking about something that like exercise. No, next video. But it'll be rough. Well, we'll get back to it. Oh, it feels good. Good job. Well, all right. That was good. Okay. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and share the video. Meanwhile, I'll be thinking of a punishment for him, and we'll see that in the next video. For all of our challenges, we're going to keep track to see who's up, who's down. And yeah, see ya.